Hi everyone, Tiago with another video, and today we are going to jump in day 3 of my daily challenge on Instagram because I already have day 1 and day 2 uploaded to my YouTube. It's a mess. I didn't want to redo them or re-upload them because I'm lazy and sorry. But yeah. This is day 3, and I want to talk a little bit about what's coming up from here. So I said a few days ago on my Instagram that I wanted to do daily YouTube uploads, and that's a crazy thing to do because that's insane. But since we have a daily piece to showcase the speed edit for, I thought, okay, that seems like a good idea, so we are going to try it for as long as I can manage to do it. So basically what I'm going to do, it's videos like this. So I have already 21 days, so I have this is 18 videos left since I have 3 already here. So I have 18 already speed edited it, whatever, ready to go. So I just have to do this, voice over a bit, and upload them because yeah, I think it's a really cool thing to do, since me personally, I have already seen growth from my workflow, the techniques I've used, and all of that. So I think it's cool for you guys to see in a different tempo, because on Instagram we are at day 21 and here we are going to start at day 3 now. So there is going to be a gap, a very big gap. But if at any point you guys feel like I should do the same day, that would never happen because I do the daily edits way too late on the day. So probably like I do the edit today and then post the speed edit the day after, something like that. I could try that, but that would mean I either skipped a bunch of days, then I don't want to do that, or I would have to probably post twice a day for a bit so I could catch up. But yeah, that's the goal with this, with YouTube. So you literally can expect a video from now on until I get way too tired or something messed up happens. So yeah, about the daily uploads, that's about it. Let me take a sip. That was too ASMR of me. Oh, another thing that I want to try sometimes, if I have a really cool topic to talk about, it's doing probably like a voiceover with the cam, maybe. Another thing that I'm trying to figure out is the Twitch and YouTube live streaming. I've been recording with Streamlabs OBS. So I would get used to the program for when I wanted to do live streams, and now I'm trying to work on a layout to use for live streams. And if I end up doing that, you guys would have like a live streamed edit. So you could watch me do the 2 hours in whatever time I use. And then you would have this speed edit on YouTube, and then the finished image on Instagram. So that would be cool, I think. Not really sure. But yeah, another thing that I want to try is to make the videos under 15-ish minutes, so it doesn't way fast forward, so you can still understand what's happening, but it isn't like a sluggish pace, because I don't really enjoy watching like really slow paced videos. Yeah, that's just me. And if you are like me and want to really do it like in a quick second, just use the YouTube feature to even speed it up. I think it goes up to 2 times, so if it is 15 minutes you can watch it in 7. So that's also cool. And I think that's it. I think that's everything I want to tell you today. And yeah, if you like the concept of this or the idea, if you have suggestions, leave them in the comments. And leave a like, subscribe, and touch that bell notification thing. And yeah, I will talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Okay, bye.